Lady Translovies. I'm your girlfriend Lady, bringing you your hottest news. In this video, meet our international sister Nomzamo Mbatha's siblings, which is Wendy Mbatha, Zamani Mbatha, as we know him from East Tembiso that plays on Mzansi Magic, and also Siyanda Mbatha. So they look adorable and they're actually showing off their cars. Thank you guys, I'm out.